Exponential results come through the leverage of a network. My name is Lorraine. I am the CEO and co-founder of District 32. What is District 32? Well, we are a premium business growth platform where you can grow your business. It's where business leaders, entrepreneurs, and business owners from Australia and all over the world meet to form meaningful relationships every month through structured business growth events, networking events, and business growth workshops. We offer more opportunities for more revenue, more growth, and more connection through the power of connection. Now, we do this faster by providing an interconnected platform where all business owners can access and leverage a vast network where they can leverage the contacts, the time, and the activities of a vast network. Now, what can you expect as a member of District 32? What can a member expect? We can expect exponential results. That's in terms of revenue, of profit. That comes through more customers, but it also comes from building a better business. It comes from more doors being opened. It comes from learning how to increase your profit. It comes through one contact or one piece of advice or one learning, one shift in your pricing model or strategy can change everything. So exponential results come through the leverage of a network. The second thing is uncapped opportunities, and again, that's also from the leverage and the power of the network. We access a vast business network where we're all committed to each other's success. Now, the wealthiest people in the world build networks where everybody else look for work. There's a big difference there. In District 32, we are invested in each other's success, and that creates opportunities. So uncapped opportunities for growth for your business, for yourself personally and professionally, and also for your network, which is an important part in business. Your relationships are your competitive advantage. Your relationships and your network is the one thing that people can't copy or take from you. The third thing is strategic shortcuts. We want to get to where we want to go faster, right? We don't want to do the DIY, the hard yards. I just want to go and ask someone who's done what I want to do, and they'll tell me how to do it the fastest way. The beauty of being in a network is you can test the market. You can say, this is what I'm thinking, what do you think? And they'll say, yeah, but do this, or no, don't do that, this is what happened to me. And that can make or break a business in the early days, but it can also supercharge our growth as we grow older in business. So strategic shortcuts are everything. They save us time, they save us money, and we all want to get to where we want to go faster. District 32 members, as well as experiencing those outcomes, they feel more connected, they feel more informed, they feel more confident of their business growth. They make less mistakes because they've got access to the experts, the mentors, the referral partners, and of course the support network, because we need that to celebrate when the tides are high and to console when the tides are low. But we achieve much more results much faster than we ever could on our own.
District 32 has been a game changer for us, both in new business generated and business acumen.
It's great to have support and people that have got your back and people you can turn to get support from when you need it. And if I hadn't been part of the D32 network, it could have been a very lonely journey and could have been very isolated.
My business has grown by 30%, which I know I would not have had if I was not with District 32.
So what about District 32 beginnings? What does the word District 32 mean? Where did we start? Well, the word district represents local, and the letters, the numbers 32, are the latitude that runs through Perth. We are a Western Australian-born company, and the word District 32 is meant to represent local business owners supporting local business owners. And why do we bother? Because we've done the hard yards ourselves. We actually do care about the growth of business owners. Being in the business that we're in, we see every week the business owners who don't quite make it. We see the people who return to employment. We see the people who make a big mistake and it all comes crashing down. And the failure rate of business, and I don't like to bang on about this because I'm a really positive person, but the failure rates are still the same. Right? They've never changed for many, many, many years, irrespective of what's out there in the market. So District 32 is a platform that can hold that space for you. You're going to have more chance of survival in District 32. And we do care. Our members are our biggest advocates around the care, and the support that everyone receives in District 32, from training to member calls to group mentoring groups, whatever it is that you need, we've got something, we've got a platform that can support and hold you. So that is District 32 in a nutshell. I am Lorraine, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you very much.